Hello and welcome to Eye Insider Ophthalmology Simplified. In today's class, we will discuss regarding the color coding of anterior segment. It is very important in the cases of corneal ulcers and in the documentation of post-operative images and all those things. So we need to remember how to make a color coding of the anterior segment, because it is also asked to represent a corneal ulcer when you are giving your practical exams, or in case of theory exams where you have to draw the ulcer, right? So in those cases it will be very important for you to know how to draw this. So we have this image of the cornea. With black we put the limbus, the round circle, and the scars are also represented in black. The suture lines are also in black, and in case of contact lens we also put it in black interrupted lines. So these are all the things which are indicated in a black. So we also give a cut section image to know what is there in the anterior chamber, right? So for that also we use the anterior and posterior aspect of the cornea also in black. In case of foreign bodies, corneal dystrophies, band streak keratopathies are also represented in black. With blue color indicates edema. It can be either epithelial edema, so which is indicated by small circles, I'm drawing it in the cornea and showing, and the wavy lines indicate descemets fold. So while represent the striate keratopathy, we can use these lines. And in case of stromal edema, we have to give a shaded area in the cut section or also in the image. And with brown shade we indicate the pupil or any pigmentations of iron, melanin, the shape of the pupil. If the pupil is distorted, we can draw it in a distorted way, or if it is normal we can draw it in a dotted way. Then the iris is also represented in brown. So in the cut section we represent the iris in the brown. Then we have green color. The lens, which is cataractus, is indicated in green. And apart from that we also indicate filaments in case of small lines. Dots indicate punctate epithelial keratitis or keratopathy, and shaded green indicates epithelial defect. So we can draw it either as a shade and also in the cut section as an epithelial defect. Now coming to yellow color, so it indicates the infiltrate. So if you have an ulcer, you can draw it in the green and then shade it with yellow. It indicates the infiltrates, and if there is hypopyon also, we have to draw it in a yellow color. Then we have orange color. So we indicate keratic precipitates in orange color in the back side of cornea. Then we have red color. So red indicates blood either in the anterior chamber or in the cornea. Anywhere it can be indicated by red. Then we have rose Bengal staining is also indicated in red, and the vessels, superficial vessels, are indicated in red via wavy lines and branching pattern, whereas stromal vessels are indicated by straight lines, and the ghost vessels are indicated by dotted lines in red. So this was regarding the color coding of anterior segment. So please like and subscribe this video for more such informational video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.